Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today I'll show you how to make sweet kozhukatta using a microwave. This is Sharanya, she is my daughter. She is going to help us make this dish. Kozhukatta is a sweet rice dumpling. It is usually served during breakfast and it is a wonderful dish. The kids will love this dish especially. So let's see how it is made. In a microwave safe dish, pour 2 cups of water. Add half a teaspoon of
sugar. It's a salt, no?
It is salt, yes.
Half a teaspoon of the salt.
Yes, and
Then it is salt.
Salt is dissolved in the water. Yes, and we'll add 2-3 drops of ghee into it. That's all.
That's all.
And then we will microwave it on high power.
High power.
Again, mix it well so that the salt dissolves in the water. After pouring the water and adding a little salt and a drop of ghee, we will go ahead and microwave it on high power till the water boils. After the water boils, we will take it out of the microwave and put the flour into it. It's been now 4 minutes. I had kept the water to get boiled for 4 minutes on high power. Let us go ahead, take out the water from the microwave when it is hot. Well, thank you. Now that the water is hot, immediately we will be putting the flour, the rice flour in it.
The water is get boiled.
Yes, it is boiled. Alright, the water has become nice and is boiled. Take a mixing bowl, into it pour the water. Add the rice flour, this is 1 cup of rice flour. Slowly into it. This is 2nd cup. So add 2 cups of rice flour in the hot water and mix it well.
Really cooked water?
Yes. After mixing it well and nice, we will allow it to cool a bit. When you add the rice flour in the hot water, a very nice aroma of the rice flour spreads. So that means the rice flour is half cooked already. So now what we'll do is, after mixing it nicely, we will allow it to cool a bit and come to a room temperature. And then we will make a dough out of it. What are you doing?
I'm eating raw dough.
You're eating raw dough?
Yes.
Why are you eating it? So now that the time it comes to a room temperature, in the meantime we will get our fillings ready.
Take another bowl. Take a whole wheat flour in it. Get started. That's for mommy and that's for me and that's for the so that's for mommy, that's for this. I want that. After
To make the filling, we need 2 cups of coconut, which is not 2 cups for me anymore. Thank you. Okay, in another mixing bowl, add 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. I have added just 1.5 cup. What are you doing? 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. I think I will just stop it here and not add too much of sugar. Don't eat the sugar, baby.
The sugar is not good for health, huh?
Yes. Add
cardamom, a teaspoon or the cardamom.
Yeah, that's right. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is green cardamom along with the skin. Mix them all well. If you feel this filling gets a little less, so what we can do is just add a little more of the coconut and mix again. Now our filling is ready. Alright, now the sweet filling for the Kozhukatta is ready. Let us go ahead and keep this aside and check on our dough and see if it has come to a room temperature. And if it has come to a room temperature, let us go ahead and knead it with the hand to make it nice soft dough. Let us keep this aside. Alright, now the rice flour has come to a room temperature. Let us go ahead and knead it nicely. Let us go ahead and knead it and make it a soft dough. You also want to make a soft dough out of it.
Okay, I want to also make a soft dough of it.
Okay. Alright, now the
Give me
dough.
a whole wheat flour, please.
Alright, now our dough is ready. Let us make small balls out of it.
Small dough.
Now in a microwave steamer, pour some water.
Pour some water in it.
Place the steamer.
Place the steamer.
And I am using a idli steamer here. So at a time 8 of them can go. I'll keep this aside. Now take this ball and make a small hole kind of a thing inside. Like this.
I want to
It will become a bowl kind of a thing. Bowl kind of a thing. Yes. And
I want to make a big one.
You want to make a big one? Alright, alright.
That one, flour, right?
Yeah, it's not a flour, it's a bowl kind of a thing. Now into this bowl, we will be adding the filling that we have made. About half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of filling, depending upon how big the bowl has come. And seal it very nicely. This is just like making a modak, but in Kerala it is called as kozhukatta. Okay, the shape is also a little different. So yeah, we get a very nice rice dumpling here. Beautiful dumpling. We will place this dumpling in the steamer.
In the steamer?
Yeah.
I want to make this dumpling steamer.
Yes, and we will fill in the steamer and then microwave it on high power. Okay?
Okay.
Now the steamer is filled. Yeah. Filled with the kozhukatta.
The kozhukatta.
Now what I'll do is close it with the lid.
Lid.
I will not be adding another layer of the idli steamer because if I do that it will get pressed. So I will not be doing that, and instead I will be taking only this much, 4 at a time. Close it with a lid and microwave it for 6 minutes on high power. Alright, after placing our dumpling into the steamer, let us go ahead and steam it for 6 minutes on high power.
High power.
In a microwave.
It's still cold.
Alright, it's now 6 minutes. Let us take out our kozhukatta from the microwave and see if it is cooked well and nice. For that we need to use a toothpick and check if it is cooked well and nice. So let's take out the kozhukatta from the microwave. Still it's hot, okay? We will allow it to cool a bit before serving it. Wow.
But it's become very ready.
It's been now 6 minutes. Let us go ahead and check if it is ready by picking it with a toothpick.
Okay.
If the toothpick comes out clean, that means the kozhukatta is nice and ready. You can see that it is come out well and nice and clean. So let us go ahead and take it out and allow it to cool a bit.
Very hot.
Yes, and allow
Don't touch.
Yes, and allow it to cool a bit.
Cool a bit. It become very hot now.
The kozhukattas have now cooled down and has come to a room temperature. Let us take it out. It has cooked well and nice. Into a serving dish. Place the kozhukattas. This one I would like to show you how will it look like from the inside. It's still hot. They're sweet dumpling and it's very tasty. A perfect breakfast recipe. There you go. Delicious microwave kozhukatta is now ready, or sweet dumpling using a microwave.
Now it's ready.
Yeah, it is ready. So sweet dumpling using a microwave is now ready to be served. Would you like to try some? Alright. Oh, you will sit on the table and have it. Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video on how to make kozhukatta using a microwave. If you want me to make more videos on microwave recipes, please do post in your suggestions and feedbacks on the comment box below. Also, do check out my website www.veenaskitchen.com for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com.
So let's get started.
Alright, the water has now become...
I can't see. I can't see me.
No problem, no problem. I will see later on, okay?
Okay. Could you please tell me just up to the fatality? I ate.
You ate it?
Very raw, no?
Very raw. Yes, it is very raw.
And this is for me.
Yeah, that's for you.
Yeah.
So, to make the filling, take another bowl.
This is my ball.
Yeah, that is your bowl.